We're heading into the summer and we're right in the middle of the hurling championship, which means it's time for what's becoming an annual row about GAAGO. GAAGO is a streaming platform that's owned by RTE and the GAA. And the idea behind it is to allow fans to watch as many Gaelic games as possible by streaming matches that wouldn't have traditionally been shown on TV. But the problem is, as the season has changed and as the GAA is trying to make a success of GAAGO, more matches that people want to see on their TVs are ending up behind a paywall. A classic example is last weekend. RTE is obliged to show provincial finals, and because there was 2 provincial football finals on Sunday, Saturday night's hurling match between Limerick and Cork ended up only being shown on GAAGO. This annoyed people who felt that their licence fee should have covered a match that they really wanted to see, and which now was only available through a subscription to GAAGO. The row became political when both the Taoiseach and the Taoiseach raised concerns about GAAGO. Simon Harris said that he felt that the GAA had gotten it wrong in putting the Limerick and Cork match behind a paywall. And Micheál Martin, who has consistently raised concerns about GAAGO, said that he was concerned about it and questioned whether or not GAA was diminishing its ability to promote the sport of hurling. In response to all of that, Jarlath Burns, the president of the GAA, accused the politicians of electioneering ahead of next month's local and European elections. And he said that he would not apologise for putting big and popular matches behind a paywall to try to make GAAGO financially viable.